Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best home security systems that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the TUya alarm system for home security. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a simple, no-frills system without a monthly fee. The 15-piece kit includes 10 door sensors, 1 motion sensor, 2 remote controls, and a Wi-Fi alarm base station. It's easy to install with no professional help required, and the system is controlled via a smartphone app, making it highly convenient for tech-savvy users. The 120 decibel siren is loud enough to deter intruders effectively, and you can customize the system to fit your specific needs by adding up to 20 sensors and 5 remote controls. The design is compact and lightweight, but it does feel slightly less premium compared to higher-end models. Build quality is decent, although the plastic components may not be the most durable in the long term. Performance-wise, the system is reliable for smaller homes or apartments, and the app provides real-time alerts for added peace of mind. However, it lacks advanced features like video monitoring or AI detection, which may be a drawback for some users. For its price, the TUya system is a great option for those on a budget. It's ideal for renters or homeowners who are just dipping their toes into home security. Pros include affordability, ease of installation, and no monthly fees. Cons include limited features and a shorter battery life of 8 hours. Overall, it's a solid entry-level choice for basic home protection. Coming in at number 4 is the PGST Wireless Home Security System. This 24-piece kit offers impressive value with its wide range of sensors and features, making it a great choice for larger homes or even small warehouses. The system is highly customizable and expandable, allowing you to add more sensors and cameras as your needs grow. The standout feature here is the SmartLife Tuya app, which provides real-time alerts directly to your smartphone. The system is also Alexa and Google Assistant compatible, giving you the convenience of voice control. The PGST system is designed for DIY installation, and it's user-friendly enough for both tech enthusiasts and beginners. The build quality is decent, and the sensors feel robust enough to withstand daily use. Performance-wise, the system is reliable, with a quick response time for alerts. The SOS button is a standout feature, offering an immediate distress signal for emergencies. However, while the system is effective, it doesn't include a camera, which might be a deal-breaker for those looking for video surveillance. The PGST system is a step up from budget models, offering more features for a fair price point. It's ideal for families or property owners who want a comprehensive yet affordable solution. Pros include its large sensor count, app integration, and expandability. Cons are the lack of video monitoring and the slightly outdated design. Overall, this is a versatile and reliable mid-range option for home security. At number 3, we have the ANNKE 3K Lite security camera set. At number 2, we have the SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security. Finally, at number 1, we have the SimpliSafe 12-piece. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.